Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones JBL Tune 520. And let's get started with open the application. And firstly, you can improve your listening experience by changing Equalizer browser. And firstly, of course, you need to enable it, and right here we have presets. So choose the best one for you. Here is Bass Boost. This is my favorite mod here. But you can choose something else, or you can also create a custom preset and make something good for you. Next one, there is VoiceAware available for these headphones. And this mod is control how much your own voice you hear during the call. So you can enable it, and you can set one of these presets. Here is low, medium and high. So I recommend it to try all of them and decide what will be the best one for you, but it's up to you. You can already set it to low or something else. Next one, there is smart audio and video, and if you enable this mod, I recommend it also use both of them. It depends what you wanna do. If you wanna listen to music, I recommend it to use audio mode, and it will give you the best audio quality. And if you swap to video mode, it will improve lip sync performance. So I guess it's a good one. Also, right here we have a sound balance, and if you need it, you just enable it in the application and just use it. Also, we can set maximum volume limiter right here, and if you enable this feature, the maximum volume level will be below 85 decibels. It protects your hearing, so you can also use it. The last one, if you have some trouble with your headphones, you can easily perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you have two options. The first one is to use an application. You just go to the support, just scroll down in the main menu, go to the support, and right here you can click at the reset to factory settings, or you can make it manually by just press and hold at the same time. Volume up button would have a plus icon, and volume down button would have a minus icon. You just press and hold it at the same time until your headphones is turned off, and then you will reconnect them easily also. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.